Hi guys, this is Vidya Prabhu and with me is Sachin Ravi, instructor at Young Wonks. Hi Sachin.
Hi Vidya.
So today we'll be talking about all the things that parents need to keep in mind before selecting a good after-school coding program for his or her kid. Given the bright prospects for a career in coding, I suppose now is a great time for parents to enroll their kids in an after-school coding program, right?
Absolutely. Today you'll see several after-school coding classes and even coding summer camps competing to get your attention. So how do you break through all the clutter? It's an important decision to make as it determines how your child will be spending his or her after-school hours and also how he or she will be gaining out of this experience. You not only want the child to be occupied, but you also want him or her to be productively occupied.
So you can't just rush into this, right?
Yes, it is recommended that you must do your research before deciding upon an after-school coding class for your kids.
And what kind of research is this? Are there any particular parameters that you need to keep in mind?
Yes, there are many factors to consider while deciding upon a coding class for your kids. Begin with, parents must look at the teacher's profile. What kind of teachers does the coding class have? How qualified are they? We see several coding classes and camps where the faculty basically consists of college seniors. As opposed to this, at Young Wonks, all our teachers are graduates and are well qualified to teach your kids and not just familiar with the subjects,
So you're talking serious business then?
Yes, you will actually learn coding here. We set certain goals and ensure that they are achieved. So you as a parent can track the progress made by your child in the after school program.
That's great to know.
Another important factor to consider is the student teacher ratio. This is often sidelined and you have one teacher droning on in front of a huge bunch of kids. At Young Wonks, this is not the case. In our physical classes, the student teacher ratio is 4:1. And in our online classes, it's even better. It's 1:1.
So there's individual attention here and the kid won't feel lost.
Exactly. And what's more is that we follow a teaching methodology that subscribes to the growth mindset.
Can you elaborate on that?
So people with a growth mindset are basically individuals who believe that one's talents can be honed through hard work, good guidance, or input from others. This is the opposite of the fixed mindset, which believes that one's talents are innate.
And Young Wonks believes in the growth mindset.
Yes, at Young Wonks, we firmly believe in the growth mindset. Of course, each individual may be different, but in the end, it's all about working hard and getting the right guidance. And that's what our teachers do. We provide this guidance and also try to create an environment where the child believes that he or she can learn. It's important to note here that we have a self-paced, inquiry-based program personalized to suit each student.
So it's about aiding the kid's self-improvement.
Yes, that is one of our main goals at Young Wonks. At Young Wonks, your kid will have something to show for the hours that he or she puts in. This is due to the emphasis on focus and effort. Focus on the subject at hand and the necessary effort ensures positive outcomes.
Okay.
I must also mention here that at Young Wonks, we have a well-structured curriculum. This is a big differentiator as most coding classes have no particular curriculum in place. Our set curriculum consists of worksheets. These worksheets make up packets which allow students to go from one level to another. This allows a sense of accomplishment even for small achievements. Uniformity in the lessons means that students and parents are always aware of what to expect in the class. Proactive students can come prepared for the class with a larger perspective of things to come. This also ensures structure to the learning and teaching process.
What about parental observation?
I was coming to that. At Young Wonks, we follow an open door policy where a parent can accompany their child to a class anytime, physical or online. This allows them to observe the teaching or learning process and gauge the progress of the student.
To offer that kind of flexibility, now that's quite remarkable.
That's not all. At Young Wonks, we try to work around the availability of the student, and many of our parents and students are grateful for that. Our teachers are very easy to reach out to and are accommodating of the students' needs. Ease of communication and flexibility is a big plus with Young Wonks. Our group assignments are designed to foster a sense of community and cooperation. Lastly, there is the track record. It's common practice for parents to read up about a coding program and see how it has fared so far.
Young Wonks has an impressive record on this front.
Yes, our students participate and perform very well at coding competitions. For instance, they won the first prize at the 2018 RoboRave California. They won the first prize at the 2017 RoboRave US National, and also 2 out of the 4 prizes at the 2016 Synopsys Alameda County Science and Engineering Fair.
That sounds great.
Yes, it gives us, the instructors, a great sense of achievement as well. It's amazing how hard work and proper guidance can work wonders. At Young Wonks, we take great pride in offering quality curriculum, instruction, and environment. And that's what you look for in a coding class.
Please tell us how a parent can enroll his or her child at Young Wonks.
Sure. You can visit our website at www.youngwonks.com and fill out a form on the admissions page. You can also email us at youngwonks@wonksno.com. You can also call us at 1-855-966-5756.
That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you, Sachin, for your time. Hope you guys found this video useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Young Wonks YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.